This video demonstrates how to use your access or activation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your eText. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. This video will guide you through the process for activating a Cambridge product, making it as easy as possible for you to get started. After you've ordered your eText through Campion Education, you receive an email containing the details of the eText you ordered, including your unique access code, the publisher website, and instructions on how to access your eText to get started. Click on the publisher website link in your email or enter it into your web browser. This will take you to the Cambridge Activate website. Enter the access code in your email from Campion Education into the boxes as shown. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Activate. You will be automatically transferred to the Cambridge Go login page. If you already have a Cambridge Go account, please enter your email address and password. If you are a new user, click Create a Student Account and you will be prompted to set up your account. Ensure that Student is selected at the top of the page to join Cambridge Go as a student. Then enter your school email address. If you don't have a school email address or are unable to access it at this time, use an email address you regularly access. After filling your personal details, create a password ensuring that it has a minimum of 8 characters, including at least 1 letter and 1 number. Confirm your password, then tick the box to accept the terms and conditions. To proceed, click Continue with Email. Cambridge will now send an email to your email address with a login code. Copy and paste the code from the email you received back onto the Cambridge website and click Continue with Code. When you first log into Cambridge Go, you will need to give your country of residence as Australia and accept the terms of use. Proceed by clicking Get Started on Go. You will receive a notification that your resource has been successfully added to your account. Click on the link on your screen to access the resource, or find it in the Resources tab by selecting Resources from the top left-hand corner of the page. Click on the tile and then select the Interactive Textbook tile to launch your resource. When you first launch a digital resource on the Cambridge platform, you may be asked to select your state of residence. If your teacher has given you a class key, you can enter it here to join your class. Now click Continue. Finally, you are now welcomed by the dashboard of the interactive text. If you've had any problems or still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your username, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.